Working in the veterinary industry can be stressful, and it feels like there's never enough time in the day to get everything done. Which is why it's important to be smart with how you spend your time. Here are 3 ways VetRadar can help you be more efficient with your time and reduce workload stress. Number 1, electronic treatment templates. Templates are the building blocks of your clinical operations. They can save a huge amount of time on repetitive tasks. With VetRadar, you can create customized sheets and treatment templates and add them to a patient sheet. That's right, once you've configured your treatment templates correctly, you'll never have to manually add tasks ever again. Number 2, task automation stops double handling of data. VetRadar allows you to automate most admin tasks. It's deeply integrated with easyvet. All procedures and medication charges are automatically captured in VetRadar and sent back to easyvet for billing. No double entry required. Number 3, ability to work and capture notes on the go. VetRadar is built for mobile, so you can move around the practice with an iPad or a tablet and capture notes, pictures or videos on the go. Let's say you're administering a treatment or feeding a patient. With VetRadar, you can enter all the information on the spot without having to write on a piece of paper and later enter into a computer. You can even dictate your notes without having to type them out. Keeping your notes accurate and legible helps the rest of your team save time too. VetRadar is here to help you reduce stress, save time, and let you focus on what matters: patient care. Book your free demo now at vetradar.com.